Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox our TISSOT Super Sports Basketball Edition. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you like I paid 150 Omani Reals for it, which is equivalent to about 390 American dollars. So guys, here it is. So guys, this is Tissot Super Sport Basketball Edition. So let us take it out from this pillow, and here it is. So guys, you can see this watch is big. This watch is big. The case size of this watch is about 45.5 mm. Okay, and the case is made up of stainless steel with black PVD coating on it. So you can see, so it is black, it has this PVD coating on it, and it is big in size. Okay, and if you look at the dial color of this watch, if you can look at the dial color of this watch, so it has this black and gray gradient finish dial. Okay, and the dial comes with this super bright super luminoma markings. Okay, so these markings are on the numbers, plus they are also on the hands of the watch. Okay, so the date of this watch is at around 4 o'clock position. You can see it here, and it comes with this aluminium fixed bezel. Okay, so the bezel is made up of aluminium and it is fixed. Okay, and it comes with scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Okay, so now coming to the band. Okay, so this watch, it comes with this leather and synthetic finish band, means on the top it is leather, on the back side it is synthetic. Okay, and the band width is about 22 mm, and the bandwidth is about 22 mm, and this band, it comes with this quick release mechanism, means it is very easy to remove the band and change it. Okay, and the company, it offers different variety of bands also, which you can buy separately. Now see, it is so easy to replace the band on this. So guys, this is Tissot T Sport Super Sports Basketball Edition. So guys, before we end this video, I will wear it on my wrist so that you can have an idea how it looks on the wrist. So guys, this is how it looks on the wrist. And before I ended this video, I would like to tell you this watch, it offers up to 100 meters of water resistance. So guys, that's all for today. So guys, if you like my videos, so please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.